Have you ever wanted to connect with loved ones across the globe without breaking the bank? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of international calling and one particular service that claims to make it a breeze. Let's explore whether Ooma is the answer to your international calling dreams. So, what is Ooma? It's a popular VoIP, voice over internet protocol, service that offers residential phone plans. But can it handle international calls? Let's find out. Ooma's international calling features. Basic plans. Ooma's basic plans typically include a limited number of minutes for international calls. This might be enough for occasional calls to a few countries, but it could be limiting for frequent callers or those with a wide range of international contacts. Unlimited plans. Ooma does offer unlimited international calling plans, but these often come with restrictions. For instance, they might only include calls to certain countries or exclude calls to mobile numbers. Per minute rates. If you exceed your included minutes or don't have an unlimited plan, Ooma typically charges per minute for international calls. These rates can vary depending on the country you're calling and the time of day. Key factors to consider. Country coverage. Before choosing Ooma, it's crucial to check if it offers coverage to the countries you need to call. Some VoIP services have limitations in terms of international coverage. Call quality. International calls can be affected by various factors like network congestion, latency, and distance. It's essential to consider the call quality offered by Ooma, especially if you're making important or long-distance calls. Additional features. Ooma might offer additional features like voicemail, call forwarding, and caller ID. These features can be valuable, but it's important to assess if they meet your specific needs. Alternatives to Ooma. Other VoIP providers. There are numerous VoIP providers that offer international calling services. Some might have better rates, more extensive coverage, or additional features. Traditional phone companies. While traditional phone companies might have higher rates for international calls, they often offer reliable service and a wide range of features. Mobile apps. There are several mobile apps that allow you to make international calls at competitive rates. These apps often offer features like free messaging and video calls. Pros and cons of Ooma for international calling. Pros. Cost-effective. Ooma can be a cost-effective option for international calling, especially if you have a limited budget. Easy to set up. Setting up Ooma is generally straightforward, and it can be used with your existing internet connection. Additional features. Ooma offers a range of features that can be useful for both residential and business use. Cons. Limited minutes or restrictions. Ooma's basic plans may have limitations on international calling minutes or only include calls to certain countries. Per minute rates. If you exceed your included minutes or don't have an unlimited plan, you'll be charged per minute for international calls. Call quality. International call quality can vary depending on various factors, and Ooma's performance may not be consistent in all regions. So, does Ooma allow international calls? The answer is yes, but it's important to consider the specific features, limitations, and alternatives before making a decision. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a range of features, Ooma might be worth exploring. However, if you need unlimited international calling or have specific requirements, it's essential to research other providers and compare their offerings. Have you used Ooma for international calls? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're still unsure about the best option for your international calling needs, be sure to check out our other videos on VoIP services and international calling tips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.